Part of much heavier. Dash. Dash is not going to go fast enough. Maybe we need extra spots.
We want to cook lunch. I want to cook spaghetti. We have our meat, we have our veggies, we have our garlic, diced garlic, we have diced onions, we have more onions there, 1 tomato and 1 paprika, we have oil, thyme and curry and pepper, and we have the plantain we have made before. We have this, our tomato paste, and we are going to use all to make our spaghetti. This is the pot we are going to use to cook spaghetti, and this is what we are going to use to make the sauce. Okay, so let's delve into it and make a delicious lunch for us. So I always cut my spaghetti into 2 because children are also eating from me. So, but some people, they just like to cook it cold. It's up to you how many times you want to cut it. And we are going to pour hot water. We are going to begin with hot water, and then we are going to put some salt. And we are going to cook our spaghetti to tender, until it's tender. We're going to put salt. And then I'm going to put a little bit of oil. A little bit. And then we'll put on the stove. I'm going to set the timer of about, I don't know how many minutes this is going to get on. This is my first time of getting this. I don't know how many minutes. Yes, they say 7 to 9 minutes. So I'm going to set it at probably, let's say, 10 to 15 minutes is going to be done. How is this pot not connected with it? Is this pot compatible with it?
What?
No,
What do you say? I can't see it. I can. Where is it?
I'm not sure if this pot is compatible with this stove because it's not coupling. So I'll check. No, it's not compatible with this stove, this pot. So I have to change pot now. I have to look for another pot. Yeah, I think this one is compatible, and change it. Otherwise, I'll not be able to cook spaghetti. Now, while I'm making the spaghetti, I'm going to also. Thank you.
Oh, there it is. I can't.
So we need to change pots. Okay, so this pot is compatible with the stove. You can go and set the timer to about 12 minutes. Yes. And then now we want to prepare our meat and our sauce. So first put in your oil, not too much. Then we are going to put our first onion. We still have more onions there. So we are going to put our onions and garlic when it's a little bit hot. We want to infuse flavor into the oil. Remember, I always talk about infusing flavor into the oil. You can use garlic, onions, curry, thyme, all those kinds of things to infuse flavor into the oil. After a little bit of infusion, you put in your meat. After a little bit, we add in our spices to spice up the meat. We are going to add in salt and pepper first, then put a little bit of curry and thyme. spice up the meat even before we add every other thing, so that your meat is already sweetened. Now that the meat is 80 to 90% done, we are going to pour over it our tomato sauce. And then when everything has simmered very well together, we are going to pour in all the rest of our vegetables, including this. We are going to pour everything into it. I added a little bit of curry, thyme and pepper and salt to sweeten it up. And then very soon we are going to add in all our vegetables that are left, because those ones we just need about 1 minute to just simmer together. We don't need to cook it. The vegetables are eatable raw, and our spaghetti is almost done. We have about 3 to 4 minutes for the spaghetti. Our sauce has simmered, so now we are going to pour in our vegetables. It's going to further add in flavor and nutrients, rich nutrients. We are just going to allow it simmer all together. I'm going to reduce the temperature, and then I'm also going to pour this into it. It's going to be a very delicious sauce for your spaghetti. And then we are going to mix it all together. Let it simmer together at low temperature. Wow, delicious. Our spaghetti is also ready. This is a delicious way to make your spaghetti sauce filled with nutrients. Food is ready. Look at that, delicious, tasty. Look at that. Look at that.
Never have to get constantly.
I think that machine is already full. Because it's not making pizzas again. That's bad. Oh my goodness. I think you...
This is
Lecker. Lecasious. Lecasious. Every bite you have meat, you have vegetables. We take the soup generously because it's also rich in vitamins. Yes, we take it generously. So ready. Everyone is ready. Every meal is ready. Food is ready. We are ready to eat. Everyone's meal served. We have spaghetti with sauce, plantain, some fruit, water, and ready for our meal. Yes.
Like, comment, and subscribe.